Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're talking about how to get the drag out. So many people, when they come in our office, one of the number one things that they put on their paperwork is that they are tired, chronically fatigued, and so many people get slumps in the afternoon, don't have energy when they wake up in the morning. And what we are learning as we've been 2 decades into this, so many of this is actually tied back to nutritional deficiency. And it's very unfortunate, but the standard American diet just does not have what it needs to make our body function properly. Not only does it not have the minerals and the vitamins and different vitamin complexes that we need for our body to work right, it actually steals nutrition out of you. So when you eat sugar and you do too much caffeine, you eat these processed grains and foods, not only does it cause inflammation, but it pulls nutrition out. And so the standard American diet has actually become anti-nutrient food. And what has gone wrong is we have gone for so much volume with our grains and our different food products. We have not farmed our soil properly, and so our soil now is very depleted of good bacteria. It's depleted of the right minerals. And what happens in the cycle in that food chain is if the soil doesn't have the minerals in it, then the plants and the animals that eat the plants, we don't get the nutrients either. So we're eating empty food and we wonder why we're so sick. And one of the biggest deficiencies that people suffer from in America and worldwide is actually trace mineral deficiencies. And this is a product that I get such good results with. It's called Trace Minerals B12. It has all the essential trace minerals that your body needs to operate properly. And so many of our enzymatic processes need these trace minerals to function, especially the endocrine system. Thyroid needs iodine, our pituitary needs manganese, our gonads, ovaries, and so forth, pancreas, we need zinc, the adrenals need a little bit of copper. And if we don't have those minerals, those glands do not work right. And what we have seen is when we get the minerals back into the body, we see improvements in hormone, we see improvements in blood quality, like remission of anemia, especially with young kids that are having ADD, ADHD, attention issues. Even adults are suffering from this. When we get the minerals back into the system, the body just turns back on. And so if you've been suffering from energy problems, you got the drag like so many people have, this is a really great place to start. Trace Minerals B12, it's one of my favorite products. I take it every day. I've seen so many testimonies from this product. Hey, if you're interested in taking your health to the next level, you want to get to the root cause of it, give our office a call at 337-478-1313. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.